Welcome back to the kingdom. This morning, the market is getting ready to open, and we are going to make our $200 to $1,000 in the day. Market's opening any second now. This is the NASDAQ. This is the Dow. Let's see what we can do this morning. We are trading prop firms also. Personal account. There we go. Market opens. Okay, we have to wait for the market to actually open up. There we go. Rocket ship up. So you know what we're gonna do right here. I'm gonna sell 5 contracts on that. The NASDAQ, I don't know why that's glitching. Something is wrong with the NASDAQ. This is the NASDAQ on the prop. Let's see how the Dow's looking. Okay, the Dow hitting our level right there. We're gonna take. Why isn't it moving? Okay, we're in the Dow right here. All right, we'll just take that off real quick. We'll close that $30. We made $30 on that. Okay, on the, let's see. Okay, I definitely should have sold that. We're getting a nice push up. The Dow's dropping hard. We can take a quick, what is this? We can take a quick $25 out of that. Because let's see what the market looks like it's gonna do. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go up. We're up 200 points, NASDAQ almost 400. Definitely, okay, there it is. I told you, looks like it's going up. Nice. Question is, do we short this 5-minute? This is the Dow. Do we short this solid? And that'll be a 160 down to here. Should we short this? Is the key. Got a nice push up. You know what? Let's just see if we can make something out of this. We got 1 minute left. You know what? Let's short it. We're in the personal with the short. I wanted to short this here. Oh, wow. I'm definitely shorting this. That was the Dow. That was huge. Okay, so we're up another 50 something dollar. Ooh. Yeah, I should have shorted that. I'm glad I didn't short that. We're really overextended on the Dow. I might take a Dow short. That's only $100. I can take a quick Dow short. I don't think it's gonna get here. It'll probably get to here. If you are gonna take it short, you might have to wait a while. Yeah, but look, we're only risking $60. Let's push it up to here. See, it's pushing up. It's definitely pushing up. Well, we're in for, so that's $100 risk. Let's see what we can come up with. $100 risk. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm gonna sell 5 more. We're on 400 Dow, 325 NASDAQ. Yeah, so this is pushing way past us. All right, so we just have to wait for it to come down here. Let's see if we can get any profit out of this. We need this to drop 10 more points to break even. I'm waiting for that next candle, which is in 1 more minute. Yeah, we're going all the way up through the roof. I don't know if this is even going to short. I should have took some more in the 420s. We're stopped out at 450. So if it gets to here, I'm going to buy some more to 430s. Okay, here's our next 5-minute candle. Let's see what it's going to do right here. Oh, the NASDAQ is going through the roof. I wanted to get in there. Okay, so we got some profit. We got some profit here. I don't know if the NASDAQ is going to give us any profit. We had a $6 profit. Let's see if we fall back down here. It definitely does not want to drop. All right, and the personal, we're up 37. We're up 50. Let's take that $100 out of it. We're going to take 127 out of that. We're up 16 on here. We're gonna take 1350 out of the prop firm. With the prop firm, I only have a $1,500 drawdown. So I just take profit when I see the profit. And we go from there. Oh, it's still dropping. On both accounts, it's still dropping. That was a nice drop on the Dow. Look at that. NASDAQ, for some reason, is not falling. Beautiful drop. Beautiful drop on that. Way overbought. But the NASDAQ does not want to fall. We're up 450 points on the NASDAQ. Came down to the line there. Should have kept that in a little longer. Beautiful, right to the line. Let's see how the NASDAQ is looking. See, that's 150. Okay, are you trying to turn on us? Next 15-minute candle's coming up. We got one more minute. I do want to play it and see if we get a reversal. That's a $130 stop loss. That's a $150 stop. Wow, this does not want to stop. can't believe I got in on that. I just feel that this is going to turn around and give us something out of it. We're $100 stop loss. Next candle in 14 seconds. Let's see if we can get something. There it is. I'm taking it. I'm taking $52. Beautiful move. Beautiful scalp. I'm up $268 on the prop firm this morning. 15 minutes into the market. We took that small scalp. Came right back. If we did not scalp that, we would be break even right there. Yep, we would have been losing money right now if we didn't took that scalp. But this is definitely trying to go to the moon. Definitely trying to go to the moon. I really wanted to get back in it right up there. That's 135. Yeah, we're up high. We're way overextended. I think we're going to get a solid push down eventually. Question is, can you hold on? We're at $100 stop loss. Next candle's in 3 minutes. Look at that. Look at that on the 1 minute. Wow. 15 minute overextended. We're up 460 points on the NASDAQ. We're trying to play this to see if we can get a little downturn. It definitely looks like it wants to fall. This next candle might be it. I want one good solid push up and I'm in. On the 1 minute, we had a little drop. Definitely wants to push back up. Uh-oh, there it is. It might be it. That might be it. I missed out on it. Well, we're 20 minutes in. We're going to call this a morning. Because I wanted to get in up here. I really did. Well, I might get my chance. Oh, wow. Look at the Dow. We should have stayed in. We should have stayed in longer. NASDAQ looked like it's falling. Yeah, we missed out on there. Okay, we're up 265. We're up 300. We're taking 345 out of the market. $345 out of the personal account. And as you can see over here, 268 on the prop firm. I had one trade last night and then the two trades this morning on this. That's what brings us up to 268. We just had a nice move down. Look at it. Oh, I should have stayed in. Normally when you have this, you should stay in 2-3 candles. And I really need to start doing that, but I made 300. Our goal was 200 to 1,000. But we did it at the end. Yeah, look at that. Nice move. I told you that was going to break. I wanted to get in up here. This is how we do it in the kingdom. We make $200 to $1,000 every day. If you want to be a part of this community, I need you. Throw me a thumbs up. Or how about better? How about you subscribe? Let's build this up. Give me at least one subscription out there. I need one. $20 minutes, made over $500. Not bad. Market's only been up less than 30 minutes. It's all you need, 30 minutes a day, mostly 15. And remember, we're called to be a blessing. We're blessed so that we can be a blessing. Get out there and be a blessing to somebody. Veterans Day. Tell a veteran that you appreciate them and what they did for this country. Get out there and bless somebody. Until next time, this is the kingdom. And this is all about kingdom business. So I need you to get out there and create a kingdom business.